thank you for joining us today in this video training. I'm going to be showing you how to use the online radio that has just been added to our website. So to access the online radio, click on this icon. Once you click on it, you should see online radio. Can you see it here? Online radio. So click on online radio. This will open the radio page of our website. It's loading. Okay, so there is an information that was positioned at the front. It says welcome to our radio platform. Click on launch in web to continue. You don't need to download the app. Type your name as you want it to appear in your attendance list. Click on join meeting. Now what you need to do here is just, you don't necessarily need to install the application. You can just click on launch on web. You can see we have different options there. We can launch in web. Launch in web means it should launch the radio in this same browser. Then another option is you are told to download the app. That is, if you don't have the app, you can also join the radio by using an application, but that can take some processes, and even some devices does not support that application, so you may be unable to install it. So that's why the better alternative is to launch in web. Just click on launch in web. So I click on launch in web. You can see it comes up. So you are told to provide the name. You have to size a patient. So you can see it says please enter your display name. This is the name that people will see. Now one of the advantage about this online radio is it can also be used for online meeting, whereby you can have a virtual meeting. You will be able to use the microphone. You can also use your camera. You can see the microphone. You can also use your camera that people will see your face. You can share to others to join the radio. Now this is basically a meeting mechanism. It's not just a radio per se. It's a meeting mechanism. So if anyone is joining this radio, you will just tell them to mute their mic, or you mute their mic on their behalf, and also turn off their camera, because if the camera is on, it's going to consume a lot of data. So let's move on. You are told to provide, say please enter your display name. So enter your name. I'm going to enter my name, Emmanuel Adeyemo. So once I do that, click on join. Once you click on join meeting, you can see, once you click on join meeting, you will be added, and every other person that joined the meeting are going to be seen here also. Everyone who joined the meeting are going to be. So one of the advantages, or one, let me call it, one of the benefits of this radio system is, this meeting platform is going to give anyone around the world that has access to website. Maybe you are having a program, maybe Bible study, or having a seminar. They can join the teachings from wherever they may be, and if they have a question, they can just talk into the microphone. You can see the microphone is, this is the microphone. Once you see this, if the microphone is muted, you will see that it will have a cancel sign on it. Can you see that? That means the mic is muted, and the camera also. Now the camera is active, but if I tap on it, you can see the camera also will be cancelled. Can you see that? Now you can see, you are seeing the word Y, because when I was trying to type my name, I did a mistake, and it was Y that was there. So for, and anyone can do such mistake, but if you want to edit it, just click on it. Once you click on it, you'll be able to change the name. Now click on it here. So oh, so can you see? I can now type my name. Now how was that? Okay, let me complete typing my name, Emmanuel Adeyemo. And I accept that. Can you see it's now show EA? Now if you want to edit this name, just click here. Can you see? If you want to change the name, just click on that section. Click on that. So once I click on it, I will be able to change the name. Can you see? Now I can change, type another name there. Just name it just Emmanuel alone. Emmanuel. So can you see that it has changed to E? So any other person that joins this radio will be able to see you here, and their name also will be shown here. And you can also use your photo. So this is how you can use the online radio. And once the mic is not muted, as you can see, this presently, if I'm talking into the microphone now, people can't hear me because the mic is muted. As you can see, the mic is muted, and the camera also is being closed, is muted likewise. So if you want to get the mic unmuted, tap it. You can see the icon has changed. That means if I'm talking into the microphone now, I can use it. My headset may be in the phone, so as I talk into it, every other person who is connected to this radio, this meeting right now, will be hearing my voice. And if their mic also is unmuted, I can hear them back. But it's always advisable that the person talking at that moment should only have his mic unmuted. Every other person listening to what the person talking is saying should have their mic unmuted, so as to avoid noise from entering into the microphone that can interrupt the meeting. So thank you. This is how to use the radio, and I believe with this you should be able to use it very well. Should in case you have any question, feel free to send me your question, and I will be glad to reply and to answer your question. So thank you and stay blessed.